Greetings to the whole world. This is Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. Today we're actually going to be going through exercise 3.9. However, I'm not going to be giving out a new solution. What I'll simply do is to modify the one we already have. Okay, to start with, one main problem about this solution here is that we didn't validate user input. For instance, a user might add numbers more than 10. So question is what we do in such a case. So what we want to do in order to take care of that is to simply include few lines of code that will actually do the validation for us, right? And we can of course accomplish that by using if-else statements. So what we'll simply do is, if user input is less than one. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope this is it. We need 8 zeros and 1 is the 10th number. Okay, basically we need and user input is greater than basically here we say that user input has to be some number, some 9-digit number. Basically that's what we're saying here. So here we're simply saying user input has to be what we simply say here is user input has to be some number, some 9-digit number. How many 9s do I have here? 2, 4, 6. It has to be some 9-digit number, because of course we're not going to be including the 0 at the front of whatever input our user will give us. Of course you can further do verification for that, but I'm not going to do that. What I will simply do is to check that the user input is in that boundary. Okay, and if it's not, what we can do is to simply go make sure system.out.print just go make sure you enter 9 digits. Of course my verification is not the best verification. You might wanna also might wanna check each digit, whether it's each alphabet, or rather digit making up those digits. You can check whether that character, I wanna call it that, you might wanna check each character making up the digits. You might wanna check whether or not it's actually a digit. But that we're gonna see on the next chapter, where we'll be basically dealing with strings and characters. For now, this should do it. I'm not gonna try to rerun this program because I did so last time, but then why not? Let me just put a number such as, you see, we have got to enter a 9-digit number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What if we do this? Oh, the program will prepend a 0 for us in this case. Okay, it seems like things are working as expected, you folks. What you can do though is to play around with different numbers. You see, right now I'm trying numbers modern. Let's try 10 numbers. You see, we get an error. So that should be it for this exercise 3.9, you guys. I guess I'll see you on the next tutorial when we actually do exercise 3.10. Cheers, you guys. Take care. I'm gone.